row is 0. And then what happens next? Is 0 less than 10? Column is 0. Is column, whoops, I have a typo. Let's do it on a, wow, you'd think after all these years I wouldn't have these. It should be all column. Not sure how I did that. So let's do a simple one. One of the projects that I give students is I ask them to do a tic-tac-toe. Okay? So what type would I use for a tic-tac-toe game? What would I use? 3 by 3. And what type should I use? What goes into each element of a tic-tac-toe? So what type? Right? So I'm going to use a nested for loop. I don't want to do all this if I've already given you this. Okay. All right, so I'm going to use a nested for loop. So what do I put here? Row. So I'm going to initialize this whole thing with question marks because blanks wouldn't be too useful, right? And then let's write another guy that's going to print it. Whoops, I don't want to see out it here. That's wrong. This guy I want to see out it. Ready? What's wrong? There's no what? Well, here it printed all my question marks. It's just not in a very pretty format. Okay. What'd I do? Ideas? How do I get this so it lines up like a tic-tac-toe board? Well, right now I'll do that in a second, but I first want to get it printing right. And it's either printing it all across or all down. I want it to be in a 3 by 3. Any ideas how to fix this? Well, when do I want the end L? When? At the end of every row. That's exactly right. So does anybody have any ideas how I could fix this? Ideas? Does that look better? Does that look better? Okay, so tell me how I could put an X in the middle. What should I do if I want to put an X in the middle? What would be the line of code to put an X in the middle of this board? What row is it? Yes, 1, 1. And how about if I put an O right here? How would I put an O right here in the bottom? Now, can I make this guy, since I want to be able to print a lot, can I make this guy a function? Let's do that, because I'm going to need that print a lot. And I need to pass it prototype it. Yep. So how do I call it? How do I call print board? I say print board, and what should I pass to it? What should I pass to the function? Ideas? What did I do when I passed a one-dimensional array to a function? The name of the array. I don't need any coordinates. See if I made any typos, which I'm sure I did. Mouse is not doing. Okay, so let's just put an extra space after print. I'm just going to put a couple of blanks between my boards. What did I do wrong? Oh. Where did I want to put the O? Not 3. Correct him. What is this guy? This is row 0. This is row 1. What is this row? 2. And what column is that? Right?